Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel Arena Info Solutions. Today we are discuss about the evolution of computers. The earliest device that qualifies as a digital computer is the abacus, also known as soroban. This device permits the user to represent numbers by the position of bits on a rack. Simple addition and subtraction can be carried out rapidly and efficiently by positioning the around appropriately. Although the abacus was invented around 600 BC. कंप्यूटर का इतिहास लगभग 3000 वर्ष पुराना है। जब चीन में एक कैलकुलेशन मशीन अबेकस का आविष्कार हुआ था। यह एक मैकेनिकल डिवाइस है जो आज भी चीन, जापान सहित एशिया के अनेक देशों में अंकों की गणना के लिए काम आती थी। एबेकस तारों का एक फ्रेम है। इन तारों में बीट यानी कि पकी हुई मिट्टी के गोले पिरोए रहते हैं। प्रारंभ में एबेकस को व्यापारी कैलकुलेशन करने के काम में यूज़ किया करते थे। यह मशीन अंकों को जोड़ने, घटाने, गुणा करने तथा भाग करने के काम आती है। चार्ल्स बेबेज, a 19th century professor at Cambridge University, is considered to be the father of modern digital computers. During the period, mathematical and statistical tables were prepared by a group of clerks. In this process, Babbage designed a difference engine in the year 1822, which could produce reliable tables. In the year 1842, Babbage comes out with his new idea of analytical engine that was intended to be completely automatic. It was to be capable of performing the basic arithmetic functions for any mathematical problem, and it was to do so at an average speed of 60 additions per minute. चार्ल्स बेबेज ने सन 1822 ईस्वी में एक मशीन का आविष्कार किया था जिसका नाम डिफरेंस इंजन रखा गया। इस मशीन में गियर और सॉफ्ट लगे थे। यह भाप से चलती थी। सन 1842 ईस्वी में चार्ल्स बेबेज ने डिफरेंस इंजन का विकसित रूप एनालिटिकल इंजन तैयार किया जो बहुत ही शक्तिशाली मशीन थी। बेबेज का कंप्यूटर के विकास में बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है। बेबेज का एनालिटिकल इंजन आधुनिक कंप्यूटर का आधार बना और यही कारण है कि चार्ल्स बेबेज को कंप्यूटर विज्ञान का जनक कहा जाता है। We will now discuss about some of the well-known early computers. The Mark I computer, also known as automatic sequence controlled calculator. This was first fully automatic calculating machine designed by Howard A. Aiken of Harvard University in collaboration with IBM Corporation. IBM full form International Business Machines. Although this machine provides to be extremely reliable, it was very complex in design and huge in size. It used over 3000 electrically activated switches to control its operations and was capable of performing 5 basic arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and table reference. A number as big as 23 decimal digits could be used in this machine. It took approximately 0.3 seconds to add two numbers and 4.5 seconds to multiplication of two numbers. Hence, the machine was very slow as compared to today's computer. मार्क वन कंप्यूटर को ऑटोमेटिक सीक्वेंस कंट्रोलर कैलकुलेटर के नाम से भी जाना जाता है और यह फर्स्ट ऑटोमेटिक कैलकुलेटिंग मशीन के नाम से जानी जाती है। इस मशीन में 23 डेसिमल डिजिट्स यूज़ किए जाते हैं। यह मशीन 0.3 सेकेंड्स लेती है किसी भी नंबर्स को ऐड करने के लिए और 4.5 सेकेंड्स का लेती है किसी भी दो नंबर को मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के लिए यानी कि गुना करने के लिए। The Atanosov Berry computer. This electronic machine was developed by Dr. John Atanosov to solve certain mathematical equations. It was called the Atanosov Berry computer or ABC after its inventor's name and this assistant Clifford Berry. It used 45 vacuum tubes for internal logic and capacitor for storage. The ENIAC, the Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator, was the first all-electronic computer. It was constructed at the Moore School of Engineering of the University of Pennsylvania, USA by a design team led by Professors J. Presper Eckert and John Mackley. ENIAC was developed as a result of military need. It took up the wall space in a 20 to 40 square feet room and used 18,000 vacuum tubes. The addition of two numbers was achieved in 200 microseconds and multiplication in 2000 microseconds. ENIAC पहला इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंप्यूटर था जो कि दो नंबर की एडिशन करने के लिए 200 माइक्रोसेकंड्स का टाइम लेता था एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के लिए 2000 माइक्रोसेकंड्स का टाइम लेता था. द एडवेक, द ऑपरेशन ऑफ ENIAC was handicapped by the wiring board. This problem was later overcome by a new concept of stored program developed by Dr. John von Neumann. The stored program feature considerably influenced the development of modern digital computers, and because of this feature, we often modern digital computers as stored program digitally computers. The electronic discrete variable automatic computer was designed on stored program concept. Von Neumann has also got a share of the credit for introducing the new idea storing both instructions and data in the binary form instead of the decimal numbers of human reliable words. एडवेक पहला एक ऐसा कंप्यूटर था जो कि इंस्ट्रक्शंस और डाटा को बाइनरी फॉर्म में स्टोर करता था. बाइनरी फॉर्म मीन्स 2 digits is that 0 and 1. The EDSEC, almost simultaneously the EDVEC of USA, the Britishers developed the electronic delay storage automatic calculator. The machine executed in first program in May 1949. In this machine, addition operation was accomplished in 1500 microseconds and multiplication operation in 4000 microseconds. The UNIVAC, the Universal Automatic Computer, was the first digital computer which was not one of a kind. Many UNIVAC machines were introduced, the first of which was installed in the Census Bureau in 1951 and was used continuously for 10 years. The first business use of a computer, or UNIVAC 1, was by General Electric Corporation in 1954. In 1952, the International Business Machine Corporation introduced the 701 commercial computer. In rapid succession, improved models of the UNIVAC, other 700 series machines, and one were introduced. In 1953, IBM produced the IBM 650 and sold over 1000 of these computers. तो आज की इस वीडियो में हमने कंप्यूटर इवोल्यूशन के बारे में जाना और यह भी जाना कि आपका कंप्यूटर किस तरह से मैथमेटिकल एंड लॉजिकल फंक्शंस को परफॉर्म करता था. अगर इस वीडियो से रिलेटेड आपकी कोई भी क्वेरी है तो आप कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. अगर आपको हमारा चैनल अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ इसे शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.